Welcome back to Apple Insider. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about releases in the camera smartphone hybrid space, the brand new Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G. Sony has always been known for pushing the boundaries of imaging technology, and this device feels like the company's boldest attempt yet to blend professional-grade photography with everyday smartphone convenience. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a content creator, or simply someone who values top-tier design and functionality, the Cyber Shot K8 5G promises to be a device that grabs your attention right out of the box. Let's go through its key features one by one, just like a keynote, so you can understand exactly what makes this device stand out. Number 1. Design and build quality. Sony has always excelled at minimalist yet premium designs, and the Cyber Shot K8 5G follows that philosophy perfectly. The body feels sleek and refined, constructed from an aluminum alloy frame sandwiched between Gorilla Glass Victus 3 panels. The matte finish resists fingerprints while adding to the overall durability. Sony has clearly designed this device for professional photographers who need a camera that feels like a tool rather than just a toy. Its curved edges make it comfortable to hold for long shooting sessions, and it's surprisingly lightweight for a device with such advanced optics inside. The attention to detail is impressive, from the tactile metal buttons to the water and dust resistance that ensures you can shoot in any condition without worry. Every curve, every texture, every line of the K8 5G screams premium craftsmanship. Number 2. The display. Sony continues its tradition of leading in display technology with a stunning 6.8-inch 4K HDR OLED panel. This isn't just a screen, it's a canvas for your photos and videos. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, scrolling feels silky smooth, and for creative professionals, the display is calibrated to offer near-perfect color accuracy with support for HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. What makes it even more special is its outdoor visibility. Sony has boosted the brightness significantly, allowing you to compose your shots clearly even in direct sunlight. Watching content on this display is an experience in itself, with blacks that are deep and colors that pop while remaining true to life. For photographers and videographers, this display serves as a reliable viewfinder where every detail can be scrutinized before capturing the moment. Number 3. Performance. Under the hood, the Cyber Shot K8 5G is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance whether you're shooting raw photos, editing 8K video, or simply multitasking between heavy apps. The inclusion of 5G ensures blazing fast connectivity, perfect for creators who need to upload large files on the go. Sony has also included advanced cooling systems to ensure the phone doesn't overheat during intensive tasks like extended video recording. In real-world use, the K8 5G feels snappy and responsive. Launching the camera app is instantaneous, and switching between shooting modes happens without a hitch. This level of performance ensures that your creative workflow is never interrupted by lag or stutter. Number 4. The camera. This is the heart and soul of the Cyber Shot K8 5G. Sony has equipped it with a triple lens system that includes a 108-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a periscope telephoto lens capable of 10x optical zoom. The sensors are powered by Sony's latest Exmor RS technology, delivering industry-leading low-light performance. The main sensor captures incredible detail, with dynamic range that rivals dedicated cameras. The ultra-wide is perfect for landscapes and architecture, while the telephoto brings distant subjects right up close without losing clarity. Sony's AI-driven image processing ensures that photos look natural, with lifelike skin tones and balanced exposure. Video recording is equally powerful, offering up to 8K resolution at 60 frames per second with advanced stabilization. For vloggers and filmmakers, this phone feels like carrying a compact cinema camera in your pocket. The front camera also deserves mention, with a 32-megapixel sensor optimized for low light, ensuring selfies and video calls look sharp and professional. Number 5. Battery life. With all this power, you'd expect compromises in endurance, but Sony has outfitted the K8 5G with a massive 5,500 mAh battery. Coupled with smart power optimization, it easily lasts a full day of heavy use, including photography, video recording, and 5G connectivity. On lighter days, you can stretch it into the second day without worrying about running out of charge. Fast charging support allows the device to reach 50% in under 20 minutes, and it also supports wireless charging and reverse charging. For creators constantly on the move, the battery performance ensures you won't be caught off guard during a shoot or when streaming. Number 6. Software and features. The Cyber Shot K8 5G runs on Sony's custom UI layered over Android 16, designed specifically for photographers and videographers. The camera app is incredibly versatile, offering both automatic modes for casual users and manual pro modes for experts. You can control ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and even access advanced tools like focus peaking and zebra lines, just like on a professional Sony Alpha camera. Beyond photography, the device offers smooth multitasking, secure privacy settings, and a clean interface that doesn't overwhelm with bloatware. Sony has also integrated seamless ecosystem connectivity with its headphones, TVs, and PlayStation consoles, making it a well-rounded experience for anyone already invested in the Sony universe. Number 7. Value for money. The Cyber Shot K8 5G positions itself as a premium device, and its price reflects that. While it's not the most affordable option in the market, it delivers unmatched value for those who prioritize imaging, build quality, and performance. For photographers who don't want to carry a dedicated DSLR or mirrorless camera everywhere, this phone offers a viable alternative with professional-grade results. When you factor in its design, display, and battery performance, the Cyber Shot K8 5G becomes more than just a phone, it's an all-in-one creative powerhouse. It may not be for everyone, but for those who need what it offers, it's worth every penny. In conclusion, the Sony Cyber Shot K8 5G isn't just another smartphone. It represents a new era of mobile imaging, where the gap between professional cameras and smartphones continues to narrow. Sony has crafted a device that feels purposeful in every sense, from its premium design to its jaw-dropping display, from its raw performance to its unparalleled camera system. The battery and software support round out the package, ensuring this device isn't just powerful but also practical for everyday use. While the price tag may feel steep to some, the value it delivers for content creators, photographers, and anyone who loves capturing life in stunning detail is undeniable. If you're looking for a device that can replace both your phone and your camera, the Cyber Shot K8 5G deserves a place at the very top of your list. At appleInsider, we believe this device is more than just a smartphone, it's a statement that the future of mobile photography is already here.